What's up, guys? This is Drew Drives at Grubbs Acura in Grapevine, Texas, and today let's go for a drive in this 2013 Acura TSX base. There we go. This 2013 TSX has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine with 201 horsepower and 170 pound-feet of torque. And you have a 5-speed automatic transmission, and you also have heated seats. So you have Bluetooth as well. This is the base model, so it doesn't have the screen with the navigation, but you can get the navigation. And the TSX was also offered with a V6 as well, which is a more expensive and a higher trim level, of course. You also have paddle shifters. This one has 95,000 miles on it. You have the lighter interior in this one. Seats are pretty comfortable, actually. The TSX is a nice car, you know. It's just a nice daily driving vehicle. Pretty reliable too. And then if you put the vehicle in reverse, the camera, or not the camera, but the mirror tilts down so you can see a little bit better. Little storage cubby over there. Well, let's walk around this car, see what it looks like. This color is either modern steel metallic or graphite luster metallic. You have an HID headlights, but the DRL is a halogen bulb. You know what car I really want to review? I want to review one of those TSX wagons. They're very uncommon, and it's really cool. I like all station wagons. Oh yeah, here are the rear seats. I don't think it has an exterior trunk release, so you got to go over here, press this little button, open it up. Okay, so here's the trunk in this car. Yeah, decent looking sedan. You also have a sport mode. If you pull the gear lever all the way down, it'll pull it in the S mode. Pretty good acceleration. And the engine sounds good too. Like, for having 200 horsepower, this car's pretty quick. Yeah, that's good. If you put it in the S mode, the rev hang was a little higher, and they'll just increase throttle response a little bit, but it's nothing too substantial. Yeah, this car drives well. It has almost 100,000 miles, but doesn't feel that way at all. And yeah, these seats are real comfortable. Like, they have great lateral support. My back feels good too. You don't have lumbar adjustment in this one, but either way, it still feels really comfortable. Yeah, this power is more than what you need for daily driving, to be honest. And as I said, these are very reliable. I know someone who has like 500,000 miles on his TSX. And the TSX and TL were discontinued after the 2014 model year, because they merged the TSX and TL and made it the TLX in 2015. And that's what we have today, the TLX. because in 2014 the ILX came out too, so Acura had 3 sedans. So in 2015 it just became the TLX and the ILX. And I believe you could also get the TSX with the manual, but they're not very common. I haven't really seen one before, and I've never driven one before, so. And also, if you're going to be using this car a lot on the highway, you're going to get great fuel economy in the 20s to 30s MPG wise because of the engine size. But if you get the V6, it's not going to be as good, obviously. Well, yeah, a great driving car. No complaints at all. And I like the steering wheel. It feels good to grip. Acura has always made nice steering wheels, in my opinion. I've always liked their steering wheels. You also have cruise control in this vehicle. And then with your hands-free link, you can pick up and decline your phone calls with those buttons over there. So yeah, this one has 24 mpg average fuel, which sounds about right for whatever the previous trip on this car was. You know, every time I make videos on like older Acuras, people really seem to like them, and in general it seems like a lot of y'all like when I make videos on older cars too. I like to get a good mix of new cars and old cars. Even if it's like a 2001 car, I'll make a video on it. There's always someone who wants to watch a video on every single car. There's always a buyer for every vehicle. So yeah, let me know if you guys want to see more older cars too. Just let me know what you want to watch. But yeah, this is a nice car. It's comfortable to drive. Seats are really comfortable. Very impressed with that. You even have a sunroof, which is nice too. But yeah, this is a good car. Also have these little storage pockets over there too. Not an ashtray, as it says. You also have like a little car charging outlet over there. Is your emergency brake. But overall, nice Acura TSX. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Acura in the description below if you'd like to shop for new certified pre-owned or pre-owned Acuras like this one.